Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Today we're going to do some embroidery. So we're going to do first the French knot. Use a blue thread for French knot. So French knot is very easy. You just go with your needle like this and then just go few rounds, like about 10, and then go just next to it, not in the same hole because you don't want it to come out. So like this will look like a knot. So this is your easy French knot, just a small knot. I'm going to do a few. Embroidery is really fun. So we just roll a few times. And then go to just very close to it, but not the same hole. So just give it just a knot. It's a very simple French knot. There are like 50 different kinds of embroidery stitches, but then again you can create some new, and who's to say that we can't create new ones. So this is French knot, you can just go all around. So just show you one more. So you just come up from down there. Embroidery stitches are fun, and you know, it's good to do these things, teach your kid these things, than just always being in the phone and computer and all that thing always. Sometimes good to do these things. So this is your French knot. Now we're going to do a lazy daisy stitch. So we're going to just I'll leave my needle here because I want to finish my French knot later, so I don't want to take out. And I'm going to do the lazy daisy stitch with this pink one. So you just draw a flower for lazy daisy. You need a flower, and then we go from inside, and then you go again next to it, not the same hole. Always remember not to go in the same hole twice. And then you go to the top of your thread, the top. See, you created like this, and now you put this needle in there. So that's your lazy daisy stitch. So this is the way to hold it. Now again go from inside inside this flower, just at the bottom. Okay, then come up and then go again next to it, very next to it, but not in it. You know, years back, the girls used to get together in the evening and they will have this kind of embroidery hoop and thread, and then they will talk to each other, and they'll probably have a new embroidery design, and they will teach each other. So that was such a nice thing. And now you see the children outside are with each other, but while they're with each other, they don't even learn anything from each other or talk to each other. They're busy in their useless devices, which does nothing for them actually. Just, I think I actually call them dumbing devices, because I feel like they just dumb them down, because there's so many things to learn, like embroidery, knitting, and so many things, so many different skills. Even origami, those flowers, paper flowers. We used to do so many things. In my mom's and grandma's time, the girl actually learned so many skills. Like, they knew how to cook, how to sew their dresses, how to do embroidery, how to do knitting. Remember, grandma used to knit like huge sweater for everybody in the family, and it's not like they're sitting down all day. They're taking care of family and taking care of children, and then at night time when all the cooking and everything is done, then they will just sit with the children while the children study, and they would knit or do embroidery. My grandma, my great-grandma's time, and they were so blessed that they didn't have these devices as to which just take up all their time, and they don't learn anything from this. So yeah, the time when there's none of those devices, that was the time, best time, because people were smart and learned things. Now people just waste all their time staring at useless things. So this is very easy. You come from down and you go to the next hole and you make like a loop like this, but hold the loop with your fingers so you can come up to the top, on top of the design, okay? And then you're not done, because you have to go down like this, so this will hold on to the, so this is your lazy daisy. This fabric is white, otherwise you could do in a white thread if it's a black or blue fabric, you know. So yeah. still have the thread hanging from my So this is your lazy daisy. Did one flower, and now we're going to do a chain stitch. I'm just gonna finish this and then we'll do the other design. This doesn't have much of a... We have to do this chain stitch with the different thread. We'd use the green one. So we're going to do this. You can do this stem stitch too and chain stitch too, whatever you feel like. You can do like this. Like this, you can stitch like this. This you would do on a stem, of any kind of that flower you're doing. You know, sometimes I used to get a whole lot of this thread in the thrift store, but now I don't get it. It seems like, you know, people are not doing any more of this embroidery and stuff, so people don't donate this thing. So we did like this. I think I gave like 2 threads so they'll become 4. So you do like this, okay? This is how you're going to do your stem for any kind of plant. Then I have it here a little bit. Embroidery is very much fun and very calming. Okay, so that's the stem stitch. So we learned 3 stitches today. I believe there are 50 stitches. And 50 stitches, which is like most people know. Not most people, I wouldn't say most, because some people know. Some people have no clue what's embroidery. So we got the French knot, lazy daisy, and stem stitch. So we're gonna learn some more stitch later again. Alright. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. And I will see you with more stitches. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.